Hi everyone. Today I have Ron's Breckwell brand pellet stove controller on my workbench. Ron sent me this one because he had a couple of issues with it. So I've taken time and resolved those, and now I'm ready to test it. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the controller on, and when I do that, I've got some light bulbs to simulate the functions of the controller. One of them is driving the combustion fan, one of them is the auger, and one of them is the room convection fan. When I turn on the controller, the combustion fan and the convection fan will come on. So let me go ahead and do that. I'll switch it on. There we go, and sure enough, they came on. The next thing I can test is the auger manual switch, which is down on the lower right here. Manual feed. When I move that up, the light comes on. The auger drives. Release, push, release, push, release. So as I do that, the auger manual function seems to be working correctly. The other thing to check right now is you can see it on the switch, but it's very faded out. It's the high position switch for the convection fan. So if I switch it to all the way high, you can see that the light intensity went brighter, showing that the fan would be running harder. So I'll switch that back to normal position. That dims a little bit, and things are back to normal. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and press the auger button at the top there. That will make the auger light come on. I am in the low position, so at some point we'll see the auger indicator, drive indicator, come on as well. So let's go ahead and do that. Press, release. Press, release, sorry. So sure enough, there's the auger indicator light and the auger motor simulator on. So we'll wait for a couple cycles of this to happen. It usually takes about 20 seconds for the first one to go through, so it might take a little bit of time here before we get to it. But as the auger drive signal is given by the controller, the light will come on, and those two should come on at the same time. So let's wait a few cycles for that to happen. I've got it on low, so it's a long gap between them. There it is. The light's on, the light's on. Automatically it goes off. We'll wait one more cycle, and then I'll go to the B and C positions to see that the intensity increases here. And when I go to high, the auger will be on and stay on. Come on, one more time. There it is. So let me go to position C, B, C. We saw the intensity go up. Now when this light comes on, it'll stay on much longer. There it is. So now it's on much longer. You can see both indicators are on. So the auger would be driving more pellets into the fire pit, making it a much hotter roaring fire. And it will go off shortly here. Alright, and if I go to the high position, that next time that the auger time happens, there we go, it comes on and it stays on. That is the mode on a couple of different models of the Breckwell controller. So from my point of view, Ron, everything here is functioning correctly. Your controller is ready to be returned to you. I want to thank you very much for sending that to me. I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye-bye.